Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the new problems we've been facing in hole printing. So recently, with the big FedEx production, we actually had to, print a lot of sheets out. The problem with this, with these little printers right here in the back, is that when you actually finish the sheet, you need to put it inside the oven. As you guys saw, I showed you how to actually bake your sheet right here. If you click up here, you can take a look at the video that I made of how to actually take a look and how to properly bake your sheets. The problem with these ovens, guys, is that it comes from China and they're quite expensive. Now obviously, if you have the budget for it, I suggest that you guys go for this oven. Links down in the description down below. The problem with this oven though is that as you use it and as you kind of abuse it, if you are doing bigger productions, you're gonna find out that eventually the elements inside the oven start to malfunction. Now, where that be the actual ovens inside, you can't see it obviously because of the camera, but it might be because the element in the back here is less powerful than the element in the middle and vice versa. So you might be experiencing some inconsistencies, some burning out, some fading, some cracking, whatever the case may be that you're experiencing with your prints. It might not be the actual printer or your ink or your powder, it might just be your oven. So with that being said, guys, what we did here at Hole Printing Inc. is we invested into this new oven right here. Now, I'll be completely honest, we haven't tried it out personally, but we have a lot of DTF printers in our community that has tried out this oven. This oven is way less expensive than the other one, and we're talking about around $200 Canadian. Also, I'll have the links down in the description for this oven. Now, why am I suggesting you guys go for this oven? The main reason is inconsistencies. You don't want to have a lot of prints coming out and they're burning and you have to throw a lot of sheets out. So having this oven is going to offer you a more consistent element all throughout, and you're going to have more consistent prints. I want to hear your thoughts down below. Make sure to leave a comment on how you're experiencing the old oven. So if you have actually bought a DTF printer with the oven, or you have the DTF oven, let me know how it's going down below and if you guys are experiencing some types of problems. We're going to be testing out this oven and coming back with you guys with another video in about a month or two, but we're confident that this oven will live up to the expectations that we have. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print, you'll never forget.